Good morning from ShiftSetGo Smoky Point. I am Coach Jenny and I am here today with Emily. We are going to be making the famous crack slaw. All the clients really like the crack slaw. It is a favorite for sure. So today we wanted to show you how easy it is to do.
Yes. So we started with a pound of ground beef mixed with some garlic. We've already cooked that, set it aside. So Jenny will take the next step.
Yes, which is, here's our slaw here, which same kind of idea, ready to go. You can get it out of the bag, at the store. Not hard at all. We have our pre-cut onions here, about a cup. We put in there, oops, excuse me. Yes, and then from here, we add our sauces.
Not yet.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, just kidding. We don't. I guess I should know how to make. Okay.
Although you probably could.
Yeah, I guess either way. I was thinking just to mix it.
I've made this one so many times I don't even really measure anymore. I just kind of add a little more hot sauce because I like that, a little less vinegar because I don't like that as much. So this is such an easy recipe to do. You can also switch it up if you wanted to do ground chicken or ground turkey, whatever meat you want to use. So while that's cooking, I'm going to make the sauce so that it's ready. We're going to add it once those are cooked. Thank you. Yep. So we are going to have some ginger here. This is
ginger? It's a half a teaspoon of grated ginger.
Okay.
And then next we will get some tablespoon of olive oil. Yep.
This one.
Yep. Tablespoon of olive oil. Teaspoon of the white vinegar. Yep.
There we go.
That one's hard to see. The 2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
You can also use Bragg's aminos for that. Yeah, liquid aminos. Okay.
And a half of a teaspoon of the hot sauce.
Or more if you want.
Or more, yes. And there is another optional ingredient here, which if you want to add a little sweetness to it, you can add a half teaspoon of stevia.
Great. So we're going to let that cabbage cook
down. Yeah.
Okay, so we've cooked down our cabbage and our onions, so now we're going to add our sauce to the pan.
Great. And we'll go ahead and scoop that out there.
Then we're going to add the ground beef that we already cooked.
Okay,
there you go. Just going to get those guys warmed up together and just all mixed in together. And then this makes 2 servings because we used 1 pound of the meat. This is a great one too if you want to double the recipe. You can save it for leftovers the next day. Your whole family can eat this dinner. My kids love this. So for today, we're going to fill it into 2 serving size bowls here, and it makes a big heaping meal for you for dinner. So especially if you're saying, hey, I'm hungrier today, this is a really good filling one because of all the cabbage. And it makes, each serving is going to make 3.5 cups of your veggies too, because we snuck a lot in there with the cabbage. So hope you enjoy.